I hope you are all doing well. Today, I will discuss with you how to perform an MRI of the shoulder joint. First, we are going to do the planning for one sequence. The planning for this sequence will be based on the sagittal and coronal planes, following the anatomical position. We have set up the planning accordingly. And the next planning step will be the coronal. One thing you should keep in mind is that whether it's CT scan or MRI, if you want to learn them, you must follow the anatomical positions. Also, for any MRI, you need to remember your 3 o'clock image. One is sagittal, one is coronal, and the other is axial. You have to complete your planning based on these 3 images. So now, since we are doing coronal planning, if we talk about the theory, then it will be based on the axial and sagittal images. See, we have done the planning very nicely by following the anatomy and physiology. To get more new videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share. We regularly upload videos here. So next is sagittal planning. According to theory, sagittal planning will also be based on the coronal and axial images. Of course, here too, we have to follow the anatomy and physiology. And to those who are new, I want to say that if you watch the video attentively, you'll notice that in every planning step, we are following anatomy and physiology. So for those of you who are new and want to learn CT scan planning, I would advise you to first have a good understanding of anatomy and physiology.